Hello everyone and welcome back to Neil Experience. Today I come with this viral math question. This one is 1 and this one is 2. And try to solve by your own and comment your answer to shout out in our list, comment list. First, what we have 60 divided by 3. Parenthesis 1 plus 1. So if you think like solving 60 divided by 3 and 1 plus 1 is equals to 2 and 60 divided by 60, 13 to 2 that is 60 and answer is 1, then you are wrong. So use order of operation, the PEMDAS here. So we will write again our question: 60 divided by 30, 1 plus 1. So according to PEMDAS, first we will solve for this parenthesis part, 1 plus 1 which equals to 2 here. So we will write again 60 divided by 30 into 2, and as we know, division and multiplication have the same priority and we have to solve left to right. So first we solve this part, 60 divided by 30. So when we solve 60 divided by 30, we will get 2 as a answer. Okay, so we will write again 2 here, 60 divided by 30, that is 2 into 2. So here 2 into 2, that is equal to 4. So here 4 is the right answer. Coming to your answer, whatever you have done. Coming to the next question. 7 plus 7 minus 7 divided by 7. Okay, try to solve by your own. If you think solving like 7 plus 7 minus 7 is equal to 0 divided by 7 and 7 plus 0 divided by 7 which equals to 0, then you are wrong. Okay, so what will be the best way or correct way? We will follow the PEMDAS. So we will write again our question: 7 plus 7 minus 7 divided by 7. So first we will do division operation. So we have to solve this part. 7 plus what we will get? 7 divided by 7 which will be 1. So here we will write in the place of 7 divided by 7, 1. 7 plus 7 minus 1. So now we will do addition. Here addition, 7 plus 7, that is equal to 14 minus 1, and 14 minus 1 which equals to 13. So here 13 is the right answer. And watch these videos, these are great, and subscribe my channel for more videos like this, and thanks for watching.